What's going on?
3-4.
Well, you have no lights on.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm not going to play this game with you. You have your license on you?
What are you playing with?
I just told you, you have no lights on.
No, that's not a valid excuse.
It is a valid.
It's not, because I wasn't even moving. I stopped right here.
No.
That's where I was parking.
Okay. No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was.
I'm not. Where do you have your license on you?
Not giving you my
59.
license.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you that it's going to be obstruction if you don't give me your license.
I'm causing obstruction because...
Okay. So do me a favor, unlock your door.
No.
Okay. If you don't unlock your door,
I don't have to open my door.
yes you do.
No, I do not.
Yes you do.
No, I do not.
Yes you do.
Officer, this lady is clearly defiant. So this is already too much back and forth. Just go pull her ass out of the car.
5.2.
Call your sergeant. I will talk to him.
That's 835.
I don't need to call my sergeant.
Here, if I'm asking you...
No, I don't.
You're here specifically to take care of my needs.
Okay.
I'm asking you to call your sergeant.
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong. I pulled over and parked.
You did not.
Yeah, I did. I stopped right here. And I'm not in here. So you're lying. Because literally...
Okay, well, we have a camera that shows your vehicle in motion.
After what? I turned off the lights.
You parked in a f***ing driveway down there,
So what?
and then you pulled out, you blacked out, and you pulled over here.
And...
You're driving.
Yeah.
So therefore, that's a traffic offense.
No, it's not. I have
It
my
is.
lights on.
It is.
It's not. I have my lights on.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Are your lights on now?
No, because I...
Okay. You're also illegally parked.
How am I illegally parked?
Are you not blocking this driveway? Thank you. So either get out the vehicle or we're going to break in to the vehicle by busting your window.
You bust my window, I'm pulling off right now. I need to talk to your sergeant.
Dear, you're refusing to get out of the car right now.
I tried to...
Okay, just bust the window.
Get out. I'm gonna break the window.
Right now, you bust my window.
I'm gonna
and
break
I'm
the
pulling
window.
off.
What's
Do
that?
what you want to do.
Dear,
Do what you want to do.
I'm trying to
will
avoid
pull off.
all of this.
And I will pull off. There's no reason for you to get
Dear,
out
if you
my-
pull off, that's an automatic felony.
Great, I already have one. I'm not stupid.
So you just willingly admit to having a felony and you want us to believe that you're not stupid? Come on, ma'am.
You guys are trying to hurt me.
We're not trying
No,
to hurt
we're
you.
not.
Everything we do is recorded. We're not trying to hurt you.
And that don't mean
Dear, you need to step out of the car.
exactly. So what are you talking about?
You need to step out of the car.
No, I'm not
Dear,
stepping
we
out
can
of
work with you.
No.
We can work with you.
No. There's no reason for me to get out of the vehicle. I tried to park. Y'all are wrong.
We're not wrong.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I see what you're doing.
No, you don't.
It's on, yes. She stuffed something next to her buckle for the seatbelt.
Dear, you need to get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car. There's no
You need to get out of the car.
anything wrong.
Dear, let's call this. We're not going to try to take everything from you. If you work with us, we can work with you.
All right, quit reaching down beside your seat. She's stuffing something in her waistband right now.
Yeah, I know.
It's in her waist. She already did it. She took
I
it
know.
out of her bra.
Dear, if you work with us, that's the difference between a summons and going to jail.
Okay, but like, why are you trying to hurt me?
I'm not trying to hurt you. Dear.
Y'all came and followed me after I did nothing
Dear.
wrong.
Open the door.
Y'all are 15.
Open the door.
You're making the situation worse. That's how it is.
If I call somebody right now, you gonna
You call whoever you want. They're gonna get
don't even
arrested.
get out of my face. I haven't done anything wrong.
Wow, this lady has some balls. She literally just threatened the police.
Dear, undo your seatbelt and step out.
No.
Yes.
For what? You haven't
We
even
told
me
you.
why you pulled me over.
We told you why. You're driving.
Bro.
I'm just going to take this off.
Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
There you go.
Hands on your head.
No.
Dear.
Stop.
Hey.
What's wrong with you?
You don't listen.
Yep. Dude, just
All units be
Show 'em out.
advised the accident
Show 'em
tracks in north of west.
Don't tell me I can get out by my damn self. I can get out by my damn self.
out of the car.
Because I can walk my 2 legs out by my damn self. Like I said, I can walk my legs up out of here. I don't need you to put your hands on me. Like I said, I can get out by myself, sir. I can get out by myself. You want to let me go so I can get out? Because you haven't even given me the option to get out.
This lady is clearly out of her freaking mind. Ma'am, they gave you the option to get out, and you refused. And what type of window was that? Why are you driving around with a window that's already busted? This is ridiculous.
Step out of the car. You
Get the f*** off me so I can get out.
Get out the car.
You bitch.
Okay.
Get the f***
You want to get tased? Huh? That's what we're going to do.
Why would you tase me?
Get out.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
I'm trying to.
No, you're not.
Get off
That's the
me.
last one.
Step
Get
out
off.
right now. Step
Get
out.
out.
Get
out
off
of the
me.
car.
Step out.
Get off me.
Get out of the car.
Can I get out of the car?
It's your last one. Get out
Can
of the
I
car.
get out of the car?
Yes, come on.
All right, so get off me.
That's not how it works.
The f***
Get out.
You're about to
Get
get
out.
tased.
You step out. That's how it works.
You're about to get tased.
I'm trying to. Y'all won't let me go.
Get out.
Let's break this.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you guys? What the fuck?
Give me your hand.
For what? For what? Why did y'all do this to me?
She got stuff in her hand too.
I have
Several warnings.
yeah, and you didn't let me get out.
31.
What is wrong
Open your
with
hand.
you?
Open your hand.
It has money in it.
Just put another cuff right here.
What the
Copy.
Why would y'all do that?
You were giving multiple chances.
Y'all supposed to be acting PD.
You're giving multiple chances.
Right, so
No, you didn't give me
if
multiple
somebody give you
chances.
lawful order, you're supposed to follow them.
Yeah,
They tell you to get out
without
the car,
being
get out the
abruptly
car.
beat on.
Ain't nobody beating on you.
Yes, okay, you just punched me in my face. So how is that not getting beat on? Off me.
Maybe next time go louder with what
I didn't do anything wrong. No, I didn't. Why are you taking my keys?
You're going to jail. What do you mean?
What do you mean I'm going to jail? I have no reason to go to jail.
After everything that just transpired, ma'am, you just got tased, you just got dragged out of your car. Why are you acting surprised that you're now about to be heading to jail? I just don't get it.
There are plenty of reasons to go to jail.
No, I don't.
Obstructing a
How was I obstructing resisting? Y'all opened the door and told me to get out.
the car and we told you to. You
And
pulled
y'all
over,
let
we
me get out the car. What is wrong with y'all?
We told you 20 times.
No, you didn't.
we did.
And when I told you let me get out, you would not let me get out.
did. I even stepped away. So
No, you didn't. You punched me in my face.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you.
It's all on body cam, dear. So.
Yeah, it is. You punched me in my face.
Yeah. You wouldn't listen.
The fuck? I didn't have enough chance to listen. Y'all punched me in my face.
Okay.
Y'all tripping, bro.
Do you have any medical conditions the medics need to know about?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what are they?
Number 1, I have asthma. Number 2, I'm schizophrenic. Number 3, I'm bipolar. Number 4, I'm mad as right now. I do have irateness from all of the behavior y'all have given to me. And number 5, I don't with y'all. I don't with y'all. I have never in my life did anything to be this punched in my face for. Never. You can stop talking to me, sir, because you black and you still don't get it. You are not
white,
free.
purple,
Stop
or
talking
blue.
to me.
All you gotta do is
Sounds like an excuse.
I had no chance to. You instantly told me you were going to tase
Here, we
me
gave you
before I
plenty
even
of
could
chance.
get out
We're
the
not
car.
doing this with you.
The
We
fuck
gave you
you
plenty
mean?
of chance.
No, you didn't. Shut up.
Hey, miss, we're gonna stand you up, okay?
Ready on 3. Bring your knees up to your chest.
Okay. We're doing this just so it's comfortable for you, all right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. We're gonna bring you back here to this cruiser, all right? And this female officer here is gonna search you.
Y'all didn't even call and tell me nothing. Y'all took my money.
Dude, your money's right there.
Yeah, I see.
Do you have anything that on you that's going to stick me, hurt me?
No.
Take a peek for me. Alright, we'll walk back this way.
Can y'all turn off my mom's vehicle?
We can turn it off for you, okay?
I would like to sit on the ground.
It's okay,
instead of
but you gotta
EMS
go in there.
cars.
Come on.
you.
Go ahead and scoot back.
I would like to sit right here until the EMS
Put
comes.
your feet in.
Why are y'all doing this?
Come on, you're gonna make it worse for you.
I just want to sit here until the EMS
Come
comes.
on, or we're gonna pull you in.
For what?
Just scoot back.
For f***ing what? You stop talking to me, because I don't even like this dumbass. I don't give a f*** what you Ow.
Go ahead.
Alright, what do you guys want to stand?
This isn't going to be an aid. Owner just ran out of gas and they just showed up.
You are under arrest. The car is getting towed.
For what? What am I under arrest for?
Obstruction, resisting, and drug paraphernalia.
What drugs?
I said drug paraphernalia.
What paraphernalia?
Digital scale and straw, both which had residue on it, dear.
I know for a fact my scale didn't have no residue on it. Can I talk to the sergeant, please?
Okay, well, your car is getting towed.
Okay, so can you call him before it gets towed? That's what I'm asking for. I can have somebody come get it.
That's not how this works.
Yeah, it is.
No,
Please
it's not.
get the sergeant. If you don't, I'm gonna write a report against you.
That's fine. That's what you wish to do. You're allowed to. Oh, dear, you will have your day in court just like everybody else. What are you doing, dear?
Trying to get out of my f***ing cuff.
Just say that she's been trying to get out of her cuffs. You might as well just take her in self-transport.
Oh my god.
She's trying to.
This is retarded ridiculous. It's so stupid.
Just so you know, there's a camera back there.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
Trying to get comfortable. I'm trying to kick my feet up and lay down.
Sit up real quick, okay? Oh, no.
What are you doing? Stop hurting me!
Get in the car now.
Ah! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Is that what you're trying to get rid of?
What's that?
I don't know. You tell me. It wasn't in there before.
No! That's not mine! No! No! Y'all not about to pin that on me! Hell no! Y'all is not about to pin that on me! What the wrong with you? Why would you pin that on me? You're lying!
Do you see that right there?
Camera. On you. God.
Yeah, and I didn't have
You should
that!
use your time better. Go to school. Get educated.
From